this flip chart, we're going to take a look at another feature of the property browser. This feature is called Containers. In this particular flip chart, the way that it works is you drag a number outside behind the box. So for instance, I'm going to drag this -9, and the student would be asked to place it on the number line in the appropriate spot. If they drag it to the appropriate spot, it'll sit in there nicely. However, if the student were to drag it to the inappropriate spot, so I'm going to drag this 10 out and place it in an inappropriate spot, it's going to bounce away, indicating that is not where it belongs. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to reset the page to get everything back to the way it started and show you how you can accomplish that with containers. In this sample, we'll just take a look at one of them. This yellow box is a container. And so if I go up to my property browser, and I'm going to close down a couple of these things here so that we can just focus on what we're interested in here, which is the container section. You can see that where it says can contain, we chose specific object, and the actual object is called text46. So the object it can contain is at -9. So if I'm going to go back and I'm going to drag out that -9, and we're going to take a look at the, I'm going to close these for -9 as well. But I just want to go to the top and look at the name. The name of -9 is 46. So if I go back to my container, that's what indicates what the right answer is or what can be contained within that box based on the name of the object. So let's take a look at it again here. So it can contain text 46. The rule is it must be completely contained. So it's great if the containers are on the larger side, or at least definitively larger than what they will contain. You can have a reward sound. There's not one in this particular situation. And this part right here, return if not contained, applies to the object that will or will not be contained within the box in that case. So if I go back and I select number 9 and go down to the container section, you can see return if not contained is true. That means that if I slide it into the wrong box, it's going to pop away. That's how containers work.